Introducing the Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a cutting-edge solution for effortless home cleaning. This compact yet powerful device boasts an impressive array of features designed to deliver a thorough cleaning with minimal disruption. With its slim profile and quiet operation, it seamlessly navigates through your home, tackling dust, debris, and pet hair with ease. Equipped with intelligent technology, including BoostIQ for automatic suction adjustment, it adapts to various surfaces for optimal performance. Combined with superior protection mechanisms and a comprehensive package, this robotic vacuum cleaner offers convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind for homeowners everywhere. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compact and quiet operation. This robotic vacuum cleaner impresses with its slim 2.85 profile, allowing it to effortlessly navigate through tight spaces and under furniture while operating quietly. This feature ensures that it doesn't disrupt your daily activities, making it suitable for use at any hour without causing disturbances. Its unobtrusive operation is particularly commendable, offering a comprehensive clean without compromising on noise levels. Number 2. Extended cleaning performance. Equipped with robust capabilities, this robotic vacuum cleaner showcases remarkable cleaning endurance, capable of running for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors. Its powerful suction ensures consistent performance throughout the cleaning cycle, effectively removing dust, debris, and pet hair with ease. Remarkably, despite its strong suction power, the noise level remains akin to that of a microwave, contributing to a peaceful cleaning experience. Number 3. Intelligent cleaning power. The brand's BoostIQ technology stands out as a key highlight, demonstrating its intelligence by automatically adjusting suction power within 1.5 seconds as per the cleaning requirements. This adaptive feature ensures optimal performance across various surfaces, efficiently tackling both carpeted areas and hard floors without manual intervention. The seamless transition between suction levels enhances its effectiveness in delivering a thorough clean. Number 4. Superior protection and efficiency. Ensuring both safety and efficiency, this robotic vacuum cleaner incorporates several advanced features. The anti-scratch tempered glass top cover protects the device from potential damage, maintaining its sleek appearance over time. Moreover, infrared sensors enable the robot to detect and evade obstacles, preventing collisions and ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Additionally, its drop sensing technology provides added assurance by preventing accidental falls, enhancing both safety and longevity. The self-recharging capability further adds convenience, ensuring that the robot vacuum remains ready for use at all times. Number 5. What you get. The package includes everything needed for seamless operation, including this robotic vacuum cleaner itself, a remote control, complete with 2 AAA batteries, a charging base, an AC power adapter, a cleaning tool, 1 side brush, and a user manual. Additionally, the worry-free 12-month warranty offers peace of mind, ensuring comprehensive support and assistance in case of any issues or concerns. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 12.79 inches length by 12.79 inches width by 2.85 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner emerges as a standout choice in the realm of home cleaning solutions. Its compact design, extended cleaning performance, and intelligent features make it a reliable companion for maintaining a pristine living environment. With its superior protection mechanisms and comprehensive package, including a worry-free 12-month warranty, it offers both convenience and peace of mind to users. Whether you're seeking efficiency, quiet operation, or intelligent cleaning power, This robotic vacuum cleaner delivers on all fronts, cementing its position as a top contender in the market of robot vacuums. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.